Hi guys, welcome back to my channel CinYungLove. If you're new in my channel, please don't hesitate to click the red button subscribe and then don't forget to ring the bell, then you will know every time I upload the new video. So today's topic is about the comparison bag between the Fendi By bag, this one in a medium size, and with my Speedy in a size 30 and with the bandolier one. So I'll do some modeling shot about these two bags and also what can fit inside those bags, so you guys can know what to compare between the Fendi and also the Speedy. So these bags belong to my friends, so thank you my friends, you already borrowed me your bag. And this By bag in a medium size is the handle, and also this bag charm is using a snake pattern. So as you guys know, there's some other strap similar with this color, with the back leather color, but my friends choose to get the snake print. And also in these lately days, I saw some Fendi bag in this By bag. They have a Fendi logo in this strap. So there's so many kinds of choice, so you can see on their website. And I'll do some comparison between this Fendi and also this Speedy. Hope it works for you guys, okay? So let's get started, guys. So this Fendi is coming with this dust bag and this. So here's the detail of this Fendi By bag in a size medium. I'll put the dimension in here. So this bag is using a snake pattern for the strap here, and also in this big charm it's using its written down Fendi Roma. So it's divided into two compartments, 1 and 2. In the middle with the sleeve, with the zipper pocket. Here you go. And also it got 2 slip pockets here. And also, oh, this one without any slip pocket here. And the attach is cute, right? This one, this metal. And also let me show you the strap. So here you go. So you can adjust the length using this button. So this one in the shortest, this one is in the shortest way. In the longest way, then you can put it like this here. So this is my Speedy 30 bandolier. Bandolier means using a strap. If the classic one doesn't have this one, but this bandolier using, they have a D ring here to put the strap, and they have 2 zipper. You can see that one, the Fendi doesn't have any zipper. And there's a zipper pocket in here. Right. And I'm using the bag organization. This bag organizer So I'll take this out so you can see. Yeah, just pretend this is a water bottle and this is the sunglasses, iPad, mini iPad, and also this one. So I think I can take it out now. See right here. So just now there's a mini iPad, wallet, my mini pochette, tissue, my AirPod. Look at this cute AirPod casing, and this mango around. And pretended this is a water bottle, and my sunglasses here. And I'm gonna put it in here. You guys can see I cannot put this bag organizer inside this bag, no. So I need to take this item one by one to put it here. Okay, let's see now. My sunblock, AirPod. I think I'm gonna take this out first. My wallet, tiny wallet. Mini pochette. Tissue. Oh. This one. I think I can organize like this. Let's see. What else? Okay, I have this Coach card holder. Together with this. Okay. And let's see, can it put my mini iPad on? Oh, can. Okay. And this Neutrogena and AirPod casing. So I can use this. Okay. And sunglasses. Can I? So hard, man. So cannot. So I can take this off. Maybe I can put my sunglasses here. Well, this water bottle cannot. Sorry. So this one cannot. And this one, this is just a small tissue then. I have a small tissue. Oops, cannot. Okay, let me think about it first. Okay, let's see. Can it? I think I will gonna move. Yeah, okay. Because this is too tight, so I will put like this. And I'm gonna put my card holder here. Yeah. I don't want to put it. Okay. Okay. So I cannot bring this and bring this, cannot. But only bring this with Eden. Ta-da! Yes, you can. See how great it is. You can see it fit a lot. So thank you for watching my video about this comparison. I hope it will be useful for you guys who wanna decide between the Fendi and also Speedy. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to give thumbs up if you like this video. And so see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!